change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone.
Hey friends, and welcome back to another complete disaster clean with me. In today's speed cleaning video, I'll have plenty of extreme cleaning motivation for you all, including laundry motivation, kitchen clean, the kids' toy areas will be cleaned and organized. I just have a whole lot on the to-do list tonight. The kids are finally asleep, which means it's time for me to clean, declutter and organize this complete disaster of a house. I try to do this once or twice a week. I don't believe in cleaning up after every meal and game that we play 50 million times a day. It's exhausting and stressful, and I just don't want to waste my life like that. So I do try to at least get this done once or twice a week though, just to try to keep up with it all. But for those of you who are new to my cleaning channel, my name is Katrina and I have two young ones. Ethan is 3 and Alyssa is 1, and I'm currently a stay-at-home mum hoping to make YouTube my full-time career one day, and having you watch my videos today really makes that dream a possibility. So I do hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button. I upload new cleaning videos twice a week. There is always plenty of cleaning, decluttering, organizing and deep cleaning here, and I'm also going to be adding in some painting and small house updates into my videos in the near future. So I do hope you turn on those notifications and leave me a thumbs up before you leave today. Now let's get cleaning.
We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
So this area here is our old dining room turned into a playroom. We sold our table and turned it into a play space 3 years ago now, and it has changed so much in that time. I recently just cleaned, decluttered and organized this area with the cube storage. The video is on my channel already, so be sure to check out my description box to catch up on any of the videos that you may have missed. I will always try to have my other videos or playlists linked down there, but if you are ever after a link that you can't find, comment below and I will happily find it for you, or contact me over on Instagram at Katrina Marie _YouTube. But even with that area organized, the toys still spill out into every other room in the house, including the living area. I don't mind because I know one day that I'll miss all these colors and toys around, but I do always enjoy it when it comes time for another major declutter.
No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
This front entryway has always been a trouble area for us. It's one of our main dumping zones, and I'm forever packing and unpacking nappy bags and changes of clothes quickly. So a lot of the time these clothes here are clean and just get packed and unpacked depending on the weather, and normally one of us is busting and running to the toilet as soon as we get in the front door. So a lot is thrown in the door and forgotten about, but it is one area I try to keep on top of as it is the first area seen by visitors.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So I'm just hanging out that load of washing that we put on earlier in the video, and then I'm going to be moving on to the kitchen clean. It's a complete disaster in there, and it's one room that if I could afford a maid, I would 100% get it done by someone else. It felt so weird not starting my cleaning video off today in my kitchen. As I have said before, it's usually my domino chore, but tonight I took one look at the kitchen and I just wanted to run. So I started by picking up the rest of the house, which gave me just enough cleaning motivation to get stuck into the kitchen.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too.
I always love the look of flowers in a freshly cleaned house. My partner got me these for our anniversary recently, so I'm just going ahead and cutting them down and putting them into a vase. We broke the scissors on the last lot of flowers, so now I always use a knife just in case, but I just think they look so pretty and they just complement a clean house so nicely.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago.
So if you are a returning subscriber, you will know already that I have to hand wash all of our dishes because we don't have any room for a dishwasher in our kitchen. But I have been looking at dishwashers recently, and you can get small ones that would be perfect for all of the cutlery and smaller items, and I think that it might just fit in a certain area of our kitchen. I don't mind hand washing the bigger stuff, but the cutlery takes forever, and I had a subscriber suggest on my other food channel once to declutter all the cutlery so that there is only one set for each each member of the family, but I don't know about that because the thought of doing dishes every single meal is just not how I want to spend my days. But if you are someone watching who has done this, let me know in the comments if it has worked out for you. And also, if you have one of the smaller dishwashers, let me know your thoughts or recommendations on them because I would love to hear that.
Here he goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel, yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy, I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. Like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be.
So I'm going to go ahead and put Dish Mountain away now and finish with some after shots. If you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you here again in a few days with some more extreme cleaning motivation.